Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. These days we have a Snip tool to take or clip screenshots or section of screens from our Windows or Linux systems, but many years back one of the go-to tools was this Clippy which you are seeing on your screen, and there were a lot of variants of it which people were using from hotkeys or from a mouse to snip or just trim or cut a section of the screen. Someone has gone out and the person has created this Clippy with the power of AI. So instead of using a dumb Clippy, now we have some intelligent Clippy to use, which you can not only use with OpenAI models but also with Ollama. So in this video, I'm going to get this Clippy installed as an AI snip tool on our Windows system, and we will integrate it with Ollama. If you don't know what Ollama is one of the easiest and quickest tool to run large language models locally. I already have done more than 5 to 600 videos on Ollama in the last 1 or 2 years. So just search my channel and you should be able to find heaps of videos around Ollama as how to get it installed. Installation is very simple. All you need to do is to just go to Ollama's website, click on download for Windows, and then just run next, and you should be able to install it. This tool also supposedly works with Linux, but there is a limited support. I believe if you are really want to use it properly, use it with Windows. Having said that, let's go and try to get it installed. I already have Ollama installed, by the way. So as I said, just download it and next, you should be able to get it installed fairly quickly. Once that's done, simply open your command prompt or just type cmd on the bottom left, and then once you do Ollama version, you see that it is on the latest version. So make sure it's the latest version. And let me show you my model. So there is no model at the moment. In order to get the model, I would highly suggest you go with this Llama 3.2 Vision in order to get started. So I'm just using Ollama pull and I'm pulling it out. It is going to take a bit of a time. As you can see, it's not a huge model, depends upon your download speed and stuff. It downloads the model and then it verifies the checksum. So let's wait for it to finish. It's already done. It is pulling the manifest. It is around 6 gig, and then it is going to verify the checksum. So while it runs, let's also download this Clippy tool as an AI snip. So go to their GitHub repo and I will drop the link to it in video description. Just scroll up and you will see the latest release with Ollama support. It's a third release, I believe. Just click on it, scroll down, and then right click on this AI snip, save link as, and then just save it on your local system somewhere. I already have saved it, but I'm going to just save it in another AI snip directory, and I'll just call it AI snip here. It's a very lightweight tool, and that is done. Okay, let me open that directory here. So our exe file is there. Another thing which we would need to do is to just create a file called as config.yaml, and then maybe open it in your notepad or wherever you like. I'm just going to open it in notepad. Now here we just need to specify Ollama configuration, which is primarily these 4 lines. So first line says that LLM provider is Ollama, model name is Llama 3.2 Vision. This is the Ollama host, so it is running on localhost at default port 11434. If it is a different one, just change it, and then we are doing the streaming through. So let me save it and exit from here. So this is all the configuration which we needed to do. Now let me quickly check what is happening with our Ollama. Seems like it is already done. Now it is still verifying the checksum, as you can see towards the end. So let's wait for it. And that is all done. Now if I do Ollama list, our model, the Llama 3.2 Vision, is running. So vision models are the ones which allow you to read an image. So that is why we are using the vision model. Now, before I proceed further, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source. With its Python SDK and live debugging tool, you can scrape and interact with web content. AgentQL works on any page, it is resilient, it is reusable, and it structures the output according to the shape of your query. Okay, so that is done. Now let me take you back to my terminal. There we have this is good. And now let me run that exe file. So I've just double clicked it, more info, run anyway. So as soon as you double click it, what happens is that it gets minimized into the system tray on the bottom right. You can see that I'm hovering my mouse there in the bottom right. So it says AI Snip tool. Now you can just right click it and then click on AI Snip tool or Control Shift plus capital A in order to get it activated. And then you can just simply highlight any section wherever you want to do that Snip AI, and all you need to do is to make sure that it is running in your taskbar. If you don't see in the taskbar, simply do Control plus Shift plus A, and you can see that I just have selected a section on my screen, and on the right hand side this OpenAI, the Clip AI Snip Clippy has done just the sort of vision part of it. It has converted it into image, into text, and then it has given me the title here. So maybe let's try one more. I'll just maybe select here. So you see it is one time, so if you want to do it again, you just have to select it from here, or like something this. Let's see what it does this time. There you go. The image displays the name Fahad Mirza in bold text, which is good. Now I'm in RDP section, so I'm my control shift capital A is not really working that well, but anyway, let's try this image. There you go. So it's an advertisement for it, and then you can just do any snipping you like. Maybe I'll just scroll down and then just select any from here. There you go. It is quite fast, quite performant, and Llama 3.2 Vision is already a very good model. If you want to learn more about Llama 3.2 Vision, just search my channel and you should be able to find it. So that's it. It's a very nifty little tool which you can use locally with Ollama and of course with OpenAI's model. But for that OpenAI model, you would need the OpenAI's API key, which you can either set in your environment variable, or it asks you at when you start it first, every time, or first time you start it. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.